Just 9,000 miles on this beautiful 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 2LT Coupe. What a beautiful car this is. Gorgeous contrasting interior. But this car is Arctic white on the exterior, and it has that Kalahari interior, and it has a beautiful visible carbon fiber top. Gorgeous car. Under the hood, 460 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the $4,455 2LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always tell you this includes heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker stereo system with steering wheel controls, MyLink auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, and universal garage door transmitter. It also has a memory package and a front view camera as well. The Z51 Performance Package includes performance brakes, black brake calipers, slotted brake rotors, dry sump oiling, specific suspension, special front and rear wheels and tires, electronic limited slip differential with cooler, performance gear ratios, the aero package, and multi-mode exhaust. Chrome wheels on this car look beautiful. Has the performance data recorder with navigation, remote start, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, Bluetooth package, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, OnStar, tilt and telly, side airbags, rear view camera. Everything on this car is power. It has cruise control, ABS traction control, and active handling. This car comes with some nice options, and as we said, this 2018 Corvette Stingray Z51 shows just 9,404 miles, and it's in really good condition. Car's paint is in good condition, has a great shine, and that visible carbon fiber top is in good condition and just looks fantastic. Factory chrome wheels are in good condition, and the interior, of course, shows very good factory leather seats, door handles, center console, and steering wheel, and that Kalahari interior is absolutely beautiful on this car. This car is completely factory stock, so give us a call today here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. You can reach us at 770-414-5552. Hey, subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, hit the notification button, and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. We hope to hear from you really soon here at buyavette.net. We make a business of selling Corvettes online. We do it every day, and it's something you can do purchasing online. You can do it with ease, but also you can do it with confidence. We ship nationwide, so give us a call, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to be our ultimate Corvette buying experience. See you real soon.